So, OpenAI, the company that created ChatGPT, just dropped Sora 2, the brand new AI video generation tool that has the internet going absolutely crazy. But here's the catch, 90% of people out there can't even access it. That's the reason why in today's video, I'm going to show you some good alternatives. Some of them are going to be free, some of them are going to be paid, but more importantly, you're going to be able to understand how you can actually use AI generated videos to make money online and not just use them for fun. Because as we can see right here on the Sora homepage, these are all of the different type of AI generated videos that people are making right now. You know, they're really funny to look at, but they're not really going to be able to generate any sort of revenue. And as you guys already know, the purpose of this channel is to give you guys real strategies when it comes to building real online businesses. And of course, nothing I'm going to say should be taken as financial advice, because there's always going to be ups and downs when it comes to making money online in any way, shape or form. Just treat this video as a source of education and information because, as I said, so many people out there are not able to gain access to Sora 2, and because of that, they believe they're not able to make videos using AI when that isn't the case. But this now brings me on to a common question that I'm sure most of you probably have right now, which is, Sam, what exactly is Sora 2 and how exactly does it work? Now, Sora 2 is an AI tool, as I said, made by OpenAI, and the way that it works is text to video. So you insert text and it's going to be able to give you an AI generated video back. The video is going to be unique and it doesn't exist on the internet anywhere, and this could be really powerful if used in the right way. And for those of you that are wondering, but Sam, I really want to use Sora 2. If I did want to access it, how would I do so? Well, what you can do is go over to this website over here, sora.chatgpt.com. This is what the homepage is going to look like. And all you need to do is click on login. And if you've already got a ChatGPT account, you're going to be able to use that when it comes to logging in. So you could just click on this button. If you don't have an account, you're going to be able to click on this one, sign up for free, and you can do so using any of these different methods, or you can just use your email address. And once you do log in, this is the page that you're going to see. So once you're at this point, you're going to be able to start generating videos straight away. I'm going to show you that in a moment, but it's going to be done using the older model of Sora. And if you did want to use the latest model, which is Sora 2, you're going to have to click on join new Sora over here and then click on enter invite code. Now, at the time of me recording this video, I don't have an invite code yet, but this is the main limitation. And the second limitation is the fact that it's only available to people in Canada and the US. So I'm going to show you how, Sora 1 works, just so that you have an understanding, so that when they start rolling it out to more people, you're going to be able to gain access and just have the knowledge of how you can start using it yourself. And as I said in the intro already, I'm going to be using this tool as well as the other ones that I want to show you when it comes to helping you with a one-person business that any of you are going to be able to go away and start building yourself, which essentially comes down to selling products on the internet to people that want to buy those products that you don't even need to ship out yourself. And I'm going to quickly show you exactly how this works, right? So as you can see on the screen, this is a completely free online AI store builder. Returning viewers on my channel would already know exactly how this works. It's going to take you through a couple different steps, and I'm going to show you exactly how I would use it and combine it with all of these different AI video generation tools. So all you got to do is click on build my free store. I'm going to leave it linked down below if you want to check it out. It's going to ask you what type of store do you want to build, what type of niche. It's also going to ask you the images that you want on the store. It's not going to take more than 2 to 3 minutes, but at the end of it, you're going to gain access to a fully built store that you can customize in any way that you want to. So as you can see, this is the store right here that it was able to build for me. I'm just going to quickly click on view your store so that you guys can get a better look. Okay, right here, this is the online store that it was able to build. It was able to load it with this smart ring, health monitor and sleep tracker. By the way, this product has been added by AutoDS. AutoDS acts as a middleman in between this store and my supplier. So whenever I make a sale, AutoDS is going to send all the necessary information to my supplier so that it's going to be shipped out on time every single time. And this store that's been built is a one product store. This is the main product that's available for customers to buy. But the beauty of AutoDS is that once you've linked your store to your AutoDS account, which you can sign up for a 30-day trial with the link in my description down below, you can add any additional products that you want. But for now, I'm going to leave it as a one product store selling this one because it's highly searched for on Google. There's a lot of interest and a lot of people seem to be making a lot of money from it. And the main point of me showing you this store is that I want to show you what I would do if I wanted to start creating AI generated videos that I can either use as organic content, or I can use it when it comes to running an Instagram, Facebook, or even TikTok ad. The good thing about the times that we're living in right now with all of these different AI video generation tools is that you don't need to buy the item, send it to your friend, your family member, or give it to a UGC creator for them to make a video that you can use, because you can use AI when it comes to helping you with all of this. So again, I'm going to show you some alternatives if you're not able to gain access to Sora. Some are going to be free, some of them you need to pay for, but stick around, there's going to be a lot of useful information in this video. So we're going to start off with Sora first, and I'm just going to enter a prompt. What this prompt says is create a video showcasing the smart fitness ring being used whilst jogging. Show a woman jogging with a smile in the park with the ring on her, let me put a finger, just like that, with a narration of the benefits of the smart ring, e.g. calorie tracking, heart rate tracking, weight loss. Ensure the video is 15 seconds long and created for an Instagram ad. So I'm going to use this prompt for all of the different AI tools that I'm going to show you today. So there's going to be some limitations with some of them. For example, I said 15 seconds here for Sora, but as you can see with Sora, the maximum I can do is 10 seconds. You can also change the aspect ratio. So I'm going to leave it as 1916 or 916, sorry. I'm going to say that I want to make a video, obviously, and I'm going to say that I want it to make one version. So let's see what it's able to come back with. Okay guys, so I'm back. That took about 1 minute for it to complete. We're going to watch it together. I've not actually seen this. Let's see what it was able to do, if it's going to be good, if it's not going to be good. I'm going to click on play. Okay, so this is the video. There's actually no narration. Okay, that's not even the ring that I'm selling, and it's not even on her finger. Yeah, that's basically the video. Bear in mind that this is Sora 1, so it's not the latest version, but I just want to give you an idea of what it's able to do, because a lot of people out there, they hear Sora and instantly think it's the best video generation tool out there. Probably because OpenAI, ChatGPT as a company is one of the most popular AI companies out there, but it doesn't mean that it's the best. So we're going to go through a couple different ones. So I think it's safe to say that this one is not necessarily perfect, and I'm going to have to wait for Sora 2. But let me move on to the second video generation tool, which is Invideo AI. And by the way, I'm going to be showing you 2, maybe 3 different video generation tools after this so that you can pick the best one. So this is Invideo. I've been using it for a few years now, and I would say that it's definitely 10 times better than, most AI video generation tools out there for a number of different reasons. I'm going to leave a link to them in my description down below, but one of the reasons why I believe that it's a really good video generation tool is because, number one, you can clone yourself. If you want to be in the video, you can do that. You can clone yourself by clicking on AI twins and record yourself. You can use your voice. You can even get a YouTube video of yourself and clone yourself that way. You've also got the option of using all of these different UGC virtual actors. So if you want any of these different people to appear in your video, you can just select it and proceed. Same thing with these different ones over here. So many different choices to pick from, so it's completely up to you. And I would say one of the final benefits of using Invideo AI is the fact that you can also clone the product as well. And this is something that I've already done a few moments ago with the smart ring that we're using as an example in today's video. So if I just click on create UGC ad, I'm going to select one of these different actors. Let's go with this woman over here. I think it goes well with the whole theme of smart rings, etc. I'm going to click on product, and these are all of the different products that I've cloned. I'm going to blur most of them out. I'm just going to show this one, but you can clone multiple different products and create endless amounts of AI videos if you want to. So as you can see, this is the product that we're going to be working with today. It doesn't take more than 1 minute for you to clone whatever product. You just got to put a brief description and upload the image of the product as well. So I'm just going to select it just like that and then click on continue. And finally, what I'm going to do is just enter the prompt that we entered into Sora and then click on proceed. Okay, so I'm back. That took maybe 5 to 10 minutes because bear in mind the way Invideo works is that it's using generative AI. So all the videos that you're going to see right now, all the different scenes and clips, don't exist anywhere on the internet. They would have had to been made from scratch. So what I'm going to do is just click on play so we can all take a look and see exactly what it was able to do.
The smart ring that tracks your heart rate, calories, and sleep without the bulk. It pairs seamlessly with your phone app, giving you insights that actually matter. No charging every day, no bulky watch, just slip it on and go. Pulse Sense. Download the app today.
Okay, so that's the video, pretty decent. There might be some changes that I might want to make to it before I start posting it on the different social media accounts and maybe running it as an ad. But straight away, you guys can definitely see that there's a big difference. There's someone actually talking. I didn't need to talk AI generated voice. I didn't need to come up with the script. I didn't even need to come up with the idea for the video. I just gave it a few points in the prompt and it was able to do everything you just saw. So yeah, Invideo is definitely one alternative when it comes to, using all of these different AI videos to help you earn a source of income. But let's move on to one of the next ones, which is Google Veo. So Google has a wide range of different AI tools. If you didn't know by now, as you can see, they've got their Google DeepMind, and Google DeepMind is essentially, all of the different AI tools that they're releasing to the public. We've got Gemini, we've got Gemma or Gemma. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Probably Gemma. We've got Veo over here, which is their state-of-the-art video generation model. And they've got so many others as well, but we're going to be working with this one today. And to access it, what you're going to need to do is go over to Google Gemini. Now, bear in mind that you do need to have the Pro account when it comes to accessing the video generation tool. You don't need to pay anything. You can sign up for a 30-day trial, I believe it is. You can use it. You're going to be able to make free videos every single day. When I say free, I mean 1, 2, 3. You're not going to have to pay anything, so it's also going to be free as well. But the way it works is very, very simple. You're just going to enter a prompt. We're going to be using the exact same prompt and we're going to see what type of video it's going to come back with. So all you need to do is log into your account, upgrade to the Pro account. Once you get to this point, you're going to click on Tools, then come over here to where it says Create Videos with Veo. Just select that. I'm just going to enter the exact same prompt. And I'm just going to add the image of the smart ring in there just like that, so that it knows exactly what the product looks like. So I'm just going to click on submit and wait for it to do its thing. Okay, so that was a little bit quicker than Invideo. Took about 2 minutes. And as we can see, the video is ready. Now there's a couple issues with Veo that I've noticed. Number one, it's not really able to make the video in the ratio that I want in terms of the size. I told it to make sure that it's perfect for Instagram, but we're going to click on play and you're going to get exactly what I'm trying to say. Let me just click on play right now.
Unlock your fitness potential. Track calories, monitor heart rate, and achieve your weight loss goals with our smart ring.
Okay, so that's the video, not too bad. It was able to use an AI generated voice, which is pretty decent. But again, the ratio isn't how I wanted it to be. The length of the video, it's only 7 seconds, isn't what I wanted it to be. But this can definitely be used for something, if you just want to create content here and there. But if you want to get things dialed in, I would say that Invideo AI is probably going to be your best option. But this now brings me on to one of the final AI video generation tools that would be a good alternative if you're not able to get access to Sora, which is going to be one that not that many people talk about. I've not really heard anyone talking about it, to be honest, which is Canva AI. Now, Canva AI is decent for so many different reasons. It can make images and it can also make videos. So as long as you've got a Canva account, and you can find it by going over to canva.com/AI. This is what the interface is going to look like. So what we're going to do is the exact same thing. I'm just going to enter the prompt in there just like this. I'm also going to select the image in there just like that. I'm going to click on create a video clip and then I'm going to click on submit. Okay, so one limitation with Canva AI, maybe the reason why people don't talk about it, is because it's only able to create a video for 8 seconds. So I'm just going to say, yes, that's fine. And hopefully it's going to be able to do it. Okay, here we go. So this is the video. We're going to click on play and we're going to discuss it. And also let me know in the comments down below, what you think about all these different videos. Are you going to use a specific tool? Are you still waiting for Sora 2? Are you going to use Invideo, Veo, Canva? But let's click on play and see what Canva was able to do.
Track your calories, monitor your heart rate, and achieve your weight loss goals with our smart fitness ring.
Okay, once again, that was pretty decent. And if I wanted to make any changes to it, I can do so over here. It was quite short. It's something I'm testing out. I don't really use Canva when it comes to making videos. I mainly use Invideo AI. But, you know, clean image, not too bad. The product, you know, is not perfectly placed. There's 2 rings on her finger, which is not necessarily great when it comes to an Instagram ad, but I'm sure you guys get the point when it comes to the different options that are out there. Sora 2 might be the best AI video generation tool on the planet, but I'm not able to know that because I can't gain access to it right now. And I'm sure many of you can't as well. So I thought I'd make this video giving you some other choices. And remember, the point of all of these different AI generated videos that I've shown you isn't just for the fun of it. It's so that I can use them when it comes to organic content or even paid content if I want to run it as a Facebook ad for me to drive traffic to the store that I was able to build with that AI store builder. This is definitely one of the best one-person businesses out there because you don't need a big team. You're going to be able to use AI. You don't need a big budget. And there's ways that you can learn to get started for completely free because I've got a free course in my description down below, top link. No paywalls, you know, no upsells or anything like that. You're going to be able to join it for completely free. I don't know how long it's going to last for free. You know, I might change it in the future. So, you know, be sure to check it out. But I'm going to take you through everything you need to know when it comes to building a store like this, you know, everything that goes into the back end, sorting out the domain, the payment processors, just everything you need to know when it comes to launching your first official online business. So be sure to check that out once again in the description down below. Now, if you've enjoyed this video, you've learned anything from it, don't forget to press the like button. I really appreciate that. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification so that YouTube can let you know once a new video has been released. And if you also want to watch another YouTube video that I made not too long ago, where in this video, I go through some of my favorite AI side hustles that'll be perfect. If you got a laptop and an internet connection, you're going to be able to check that out by clicking the link right there. Watch that straight after this. It's already helped out so many people and I'm sure they can help you out too. But as always, guys, I'm going to catch you on that next video. Make sure you stay safe out there. Peace.